Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got the Lamborghini Urus Performante and the Giallo Auge Spec, sitting on Pirelli 22-inch tires, carbon kit all over. 2,700 miles, man. This is practically a brand new car. Just being inside it, just being next to it, man. That Alcantara interior is so plush. Bang & Olufsen sound system. Yeah, you gotta go with the best to be the best. You know what I mean? Alcantara everywhere, yellow stitching, Urus decals. Man, black and yellow never look so good. Had to do up the front as well, man. This interior is so special, way too special. It's also fitted with the Lamborghini Akrapovic Exhaust System. Man, this sounds so good. Just keep on watching, you get there just now. Carbon rear bumper. Look at the aesthetics. Look at that. That's a spaceship, man. Time for that moment. Volume up. Cue the merch. Thanks for watching, guys.